In this video, I will show you how to add yourself to any photograph in Snapseed. This will make you to appear anywhere in any iconic places around the world. We will be using Snapseed to do this, a versatile app compatible with both iOS and Android platforms. Snapseed is free to use, and for your convenience, a download link will be provided in the video description, so let's dive in. Begin by launching Snapseed on your device and tap the plus icon to upload your desired background image. For this demonstration, I will be positioning my subject in front of the iconic Stonehenge, slightly cropping the image for a better composition. Navigate to the Tools menu and scroll until you find the double exposure feature, then tap on it. Here, you'll add a second photo, preferably of yourself or anyone you wish to include. The default opacity setting for this photo is 50%, but adjust it accordingly so the subject becomes clearly visible. After fine-tuning the opacity, it's time to position your subject within the scene as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with the placement, increase the opacity to maximum and confirm your changes. Tap on the menu button and select View Edits, choosing double exposure, and then selecting the brush icon. At this point, you will precisely outline the figure by tapping the inverts button and carefully brushing over the subject. This part demands accuracy, so I will fast forward through the meticulous brushing process. For areas that require correction, toggle the invert option and adjust the brush intensity to 100% to erase unwanted sections. Continue adjusting until your subject is flawlessly integrated into the scene. To finalize, simply tweak the image's brightness and saturation to your liking. To save your masterpiece, export it directly to your photo gallery. And just like that, you've mastered adding yourself to any photo with Snapseed. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.